This moon lamp looks awesome, it's powered by USB, easy to print and do it yourself. I hope you will enjoy this free project. If you would like to make it, all links in description. This time fields are released for free, so if you would like to hit like button of this video, it will be awesome. At first you have to print the files. It will take some time and you need printer with bed size at least 300 mm. There is no need for the support, so it's easy to print. Also, these days 0.6 nozzle size is the best choice for speed, quality and durability of printed projects, so I do recommend to use it for this one. For the ring, I recommend to use fluorescent PLA filament, which you can see now on the screen, and 10% infill. It will look amazing, I am pretty sure. But of course, out of my curiosity, I use temperature color change filament, which is quite fragile, so for sure I wouldn't use it again for that kind of project. Connecting bottom part ring is super easy, like Lego, click and done. For the moon, I recommend to use silver or white filament like PLA and 0% infill. Wall width could be around 1.6 to 2 mm. I didn't use any glue to connect two parts of the moon, just soldering iron is less toxic and the connection is much stronger. Just set temperature to around 200 degrees Celsius and you're good. Super easy to hide any imperfections. I decided to use granite spray paint. I had to do 3 layers to make moon looks like a rock. It's kind of difficult to use this spray because it doesn't work like regular paint, but at the end it was worth it. Texture looks amazing. Cherry on the top. Drying time for this paint is 24 hours, so 1 layer per day and at least extra 2 days to cure it, but still worth it. Now it's time to put top part of the ring. There is no need to add any glue, it's just click and done. Check if it will fit. Of course, in my case it did not, so I had to grind it a little bit. Ring is prepared for 2 meters lead strip, but in reality it's around 197.5 centimeters, just in case. So I had to cut off 2.5 centimeters. Then solder the power wires. And I use USB connector, but you can use of course any you like. I use USB-C because for me it will be more simple to power up this moon lamp. There is no need to buy 12 volts power supply because if you've got simple QC charger, then by using USB trigger you can force charger to work with 12 volts. On USB trigger you can choose voltage between 5 volts where the LEDs doesn't really work, to 9 volts where the LEDs are nicely dimmed, to 12 volts when they work perfect. USB trigger is cheap and useful tool. Price around $5, but be careful. If you've got a decent PD charger which can deliver 20 volts on the output and you trigger by mistake 20 volts, then your 12 volts LEDs can be easily damaged. I hope you like this project. In the future I will add the different size of the ring so you will be able to fit different size of the LEDs. And if you have any other idea to make this project looks even better, then please just leave it in comment section.